We'll guide you through how to determine if Google Docs is secure. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Google Docs homepage by logging into your Google account. Once you're there, look for the padlock icon next to the URL in your web browser's address bar. This indicates that the connection between your computer and Google Docs is encrypted, ensuring that any data you send or receive is secured. Next, you want to check the sharing settings of your documents. Open a document, then click on the Share button at the top right corner. Here, you can see who has access to your document. Make sure you only share with people you trust or keep it completely private. You can also change the permission levels, like allowing others to view, comment, or edit. Now, for added security, go to your Google account settings. Click on Security from the left-hand menu. Make sure you have two-step verification enabled. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a code sent to your phone in addition to your password when you log in. It's also important to review the third-party apps with Account Access section to ensure that no unauthorized apps have access to your Google Docs. If you see any apps you don't recognize, remove their access immediately. Regularly updating your password and using a strong, unique password for your Google account is another great measure to keep your documents safe. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.